Now I go with the rail. Difference from original Teak, they lost 3 to 4 millimeters. Some corrosion issue. In any case, I will change this rail with new one made from Antal. But I won't save all the bolts because it's very good. You can see it's a full bolt.
Yes, cold! It's cold! Yeah!
And inside, I need to take off this one and that one and the diesel one. So, good work. I use this one to warm. Okay. Well, okay, this is last to go. Oh, water intake, stainless steel, finish. The first strip to go. Remain nothing about Teak. There is plenty of screw to take off from the deck. I think it's 3 days to take out all the screws. I think it's 1,000. I'm tired. Have a look. Hi guys, I'm quite exhausted. They are short, they don't go very deep, so it will be easy later to fix the holes. But at the moment I'm struggling to take off any single screw. How many? My god, I have a small boat, I can imagine a big one. Oh. All the screw just in 35 to 60 centimeter. All the screw. Too much work. Hi guys. Today is another day in the power plant. Today I will finish with the screw on the deck. So tomorrow with Piero I prepare the boat for the next layer of tech. Take a lot of time to take off these screws. And those are all the screws that I take off from the deck. Huge quantity. Hi guys, for tonight I finish. I spent 2 days to take off all the screws on the deck and on the cap rail. It was quite stressful and difficult, but at the end I finished. So now I go home. And tomorrow we'll start to take off all the tech from the deck and from the cockpit. And me and Piero will do a very good work tomorrow. So for tonight is finished. We'll see tomorrow. Bye. Here you can see all the holes of the screw that fix the tech on the deck. Plenty of holes. I probably need 1 month to fill up all these holes with epoxy resin. You can see plenty, full. But at the end I finish. First deck to go.